If you have been struggling with how to change name on your Outlook account, this is a fix to that. Maybe whenever you send email to somebody, it appears with a name you don't like. All right. This video fixes that by guiding you on how to change to a new name. First is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. As the browser opens, visit outlook.com. Sign in with your email address and password. Once on this interface, you will see your initial here. Alright, what makes up your name? You can see here I have mine as GU. Okay, so click on that at the top right. Then select my profile. On this page, you will see the full name section. Okay, just click on edit name. So you can see the first name here is Godwin and the last name here is UZ. So let's say I want to change this last name to Peter. All right, so I'm going to have Godwin Peter as my name now. So I'll click on save. Once you click on save, the page will load again. Okay, here I'm back to my Outlook. So with this change, anytime I'm sending email, okay, to somebody, it will now appear with the new name. All right, and no longer the one you chose initially. Okay, so that is how it works. But note, this may take about 24 hours to start reflecting, to be synced fully. So whenever you send email to somebody, it appears with the new name. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. You can check out this video here to learn in detail on how to use Outlook email address. Thank you and see you some other time.